You guys, what's up? Today we are gonna do a speed run in Animal Company. But I know you guys can't see me. This is me, totally. Nah, that's me, the handsome guy right there. But like I'm saying, we are gonna go do the new microwave in the new Animal Company update, and I'm with my friend. It was I'm not the best at his name. It's like Eco Lord. That's what we're calling him, Eco Lord. Eco Lord, come on out. Eco Lord, come on out. Eco Lord, come on out. Yeah. Just wait a second. I'm gonna. Oh. You good, dog?
Hello?
Alright, what's up?
My name is EA Lord.
EA Lord. I got it. Alright, guys. Now we're just gonna go get the stuff. Let's go.
Get the stuff here. Oh, take your witch's broom, actually.
Alright.
I'll just... Here, you take it and put it in your stash. I'll get the stuff.
Alright.
So, we should get a bag.
Mm-hmm. I'll take this one.
This one's mine.
Mm-hmm. A grappler?
You buy your own ammo.
Oh, yeah. We don't...
I don't have grapplers unlocked.
The guy's invincible, I want to tell you.
I know.
Get your stuff, dog. We don't need a flash. Alright, we can take that.
What should we bring to put in the microwave?
Get like a sword. Do you have any eggs?
Yeah, I have an egg, but I'm just gonna bring a lance.
Alright. I'm gonna go put this in my stash, guys. But I'm also gonna bring a modded egg that I got. But I can just get more. Oh. Somebody said, what? God literally said, let there be light. Let me get an egg. I have a bunch of crack in here.
Alright.
My grappler!
Here, Fogler.
My grappler.
I got the snail too, guys. Yes, I'm him.
Are you liked and subbed to Chubby Snow? Is that why you have it? The snow hat thing?
I am subscribed to him. He's a good YouTuber. Do I not
But
have an
is
egg?
that how you get the thing?
No, you just find it around and I don't have an egg.
Well,
All right.
I got a full bag of eggs.
All right, just bring one. All right, let me just get a weapon.
Here, you could do the lance. I'll do the egg.
All right, I'm just gonna bring this for safekeeping, and I'm gonna bring a bone. All right, guys, come here. Get over here. All right, guys, I'm just gonna meet you guys at the part because this takes a little while. Ugh. Nah, this is how men walk upstairs.
Shortcut.
What'd you say?
I said shortcut.
Shortcut. No cussing on my channel.
I'm not gonna cut.
Okay. Come here.
I'm stuck.
Just grapple onto the walls, not onto the metal part. On the wall. On the walls. Alright, guys, now that we're here, drop all your stuff. Make sure nothing's in your bag. And now drop. Put it right here. And what you gotta do is kind of tricky. Yeah, it's kind of hard on first try.
Watch his aura. Watch his aura. Watch his aura. First try. That's aura. That has to be aura. Let me do my egg.
I did it. That's aura.
Oh.
Alright, guys, this is taking a little while. Go! No!
I dropped it. I dropped it last second.
Oosh.
Do both of them at once.
Alright, guys, we got all of our stuff.
Dude, the ammo you could just throw through.
Alright, guys. Now that we're past here, I'm just gonna speed up the rest of the video.
No.
Ollie! Get it! Alright. No! Stop! Yeah, okay, good. Get aside! Get aside! Oh, get aside. Go! Stick it in! Push! Yes! Let's go! Let's go, let's go! McDonald's play place! Whee! McDonald's play place! Stop! Oh, yeah, watch out for the bee! Whee!
Remember you can get
Is it really?
Yeah.
Bro, you don't die.
Bro, all this way to die, crash out.
Yeah. What's easy? It's pretty easy to get your hand. I don't know if I can. Push!
I know this exit.
Yeah. Alright, guys, now that we're here, put it in. It has power.
No, let's go.
No, wait, put the egg in. Put the egg in. I'm trying to get my front end now if anything spawns. Push!
Leave the front end.
Go! Chill, go!
Cool.
We got it. Alright, I know what to do. It's cooking!
Yeah.
Go! Give me another egg! Bring it there! Bring it! Alright, wait, we got it. You're getting cooked!
Yo, where's Moby? Yo, where's Moby? I'm going around.
Yo, this thing is so chilly!
I should go too. Freak out, Chili.
Wait, let me put Rattler.
Are you feeling this?
Yes!
Bro, I'm Chili. Let me press the line.
Alright, it's moving, one sec. Yeah, I know. Alright, I'll get
Do
it.
it. I sacrifice.
Wait, I have a lance too! Open up the door, I have stuff in my bag! No! Oh, wow, it's an egg!
You're Chili.
Oh, what?
You're Chili. Get back.
Oh, yeah, my bag.
You're Chili.
I'm Uranium! Get Uranium! Put the lance in.
Do this.
I'll do it this time.
Oh. You got twice on that once.
Alright.
I got it in case.
Yeah.
It's Chili.
Oh, it's not. Let's put that back in there. Close it.
Nice shot. No, I'm my shot.
It's crazy.
It's Chili.
It's Jiggly! Hey, let me out, bro, let me out. No, man, bro! No! Beat you. Stop, let me out. No, bro. Let me out. Stop!
You're being the extra crispy.
No! Put the egg in again.
Extra crispy.
Oh, I'm not flying anymore. Where's my buddy? Grab me, kitty!
You're fine.
Revive me, dog!
I'm trying to get in.
No, no, stop!
What?
Yo! Oh, thank you. Pencil.
Wait, what's the egg back in here?
I think I lost my tongue, man.
Where's my egg? Oh, that's
Push! Alright, I'm cooking it this time. Not you push. Push, push.
No, you're easier. Yeah, you're easier.
I don't. I'm not doing this.
You are here.
Hey! He's not racist. Close the door. We need to cook him again. No, close.
Come on.
No, no, get it!
I need to get my gun. It shuts.
Hey, hey,
Oh, crap. He's not happy.
Alright, can you go to the next? Yeah, alright guys, I took so much time editing this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace!